Welcome to 𝗓𝗍𝗶𝗍. Introducing the upgraded laptop cleaning kit, the all-in-one solution for pristine devices. Whether it's a MacBook, gaming keyboard, DSLR camera, or earbuds, this kit covers you. Starting with the keyboard, this kit includes a keycap puller, making it easy to clean mechanical and gaming keyboards. Pair that with a retractable large brush and a high-density mini brush, and no dust stands a chance between your keys. Next, we have the 2mm thickened, right-angled polishing cloth, perfect for those stubborn screen stains. Paired with the recyclable cleaning spray, it leaves no streaks, discoloration, or fibers, just a crystal clear screen. For camera enthusiasts, the soft lens cleaning pen ensures scratch-free cleaning for delicate lenses and screens. And the flocking sponge reaches deep into earbud cases, so even your earbuds stay clean. Plus, 5 replacement cloths ensure you're always prepared. Compact and portable, this kit is easy to carry wherever you go, at home, in your car, or on the go. Lightweight, effective, and affordable, it's the perfect gift for friends, family, or yourself. Get your upgraded laptop cleaning kit today, professional grade cleaning, anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching.